Hello. So I am here at my favorite mountain, filsfell, and I decided to go out today just to get a little break from this situation going on with the coronavirus. Although the weather forecast was pretty good for today, Iceland did not surprise me with this blizzard that I am in right now. And cut my hike up filsfell quite short. I did about 1/3 of the mountain, and then the wind started picking up and visibility became very low, so I decided to head back. I made this kind of makeshift shelter here out of snow, just so I could record this short video, and so my GoPro camera doesn't break from the wet, from the snow. I don't know what I'm saying, so we'll keep it short today. Don't go out if the weather is bad. I would rather stay indoors and watch Netflix. But hopefully filsfell will be waiting for me in the summertime. Stay safe.